kakabubukas lang siguro yun noon.
Kailan yun, Gloria? December yata yun?
Oo. Kasi nag-change sila ng ano eh, ng
Goodbye,
tawag
thank you
doon,
for
yung decoration.
thank you for the gift.
Baka mura ngayon kasi pa-summer na natin.
Kasi sabi nila, naglaglagan na daw yung ibang ano ng
bulaklak.
bulaklak eh.
At least may post tayo, nakapunta tayo ng Miranton.
Hi, naring hi.
Hi!
Hi.
How are you all?
All.
All is Jackal?
Take your tea po.
Nagkatawa siya kay pero siya Jackal. Kailan may mag-delete massage?
Thank you.
Now don't need anything because I'm driving now.
Good all. Good all.
Dubai, Al Sharjah.
30, 40 kilometers for my sister.